My name is Dr. Fernando de Zarraga. I'm a medical oncologist and hematologist. I think it's an extremely incredible and exciting time to take care of patients with cancer. We're able to provide better care. We're able to provide less toxic care, and we're able to improve outcomes in ways that we didn't think were possible even 10 years ago. You know, the future of oncology is extremely exciting. It's not unusual for 2, 3, 4, 5 medicines to be approved every single year. The best years are ahead of us as we develop more specific therapies and better therapies for our patients. We have to put ourselves in our patients' shoes and try to address every concern every step of the way. This is a very, very sensitive time for our patients. Oftentimes they're overwhelmed at everything that's happening, and so I think really to do a good job and to provide good care, I think that empathy has to play a central role. Ask questions, get involved, play a role in your medical care. I always encourage that, and I thrive on that. I love being able to have conversations with my patients rather than telling them what to do.